Everyone, and welcome to today's webinar where we will be discussing the resuscitation team in PALS. The AHA guidelines for PALS highlights the importance of effective team dynamics during resuscitation. In the community outside of a healthcare facility, the first rescuer on the scene may be performing CPR alone. However, a pediatric arrest event in a hospital may bring dozens of people to the patient's room. It is important to quickly and efficiently organize team members to effectively participate in PALS. The AHA supports a team structure with each provider assuming a specific role during the resuscitation. This consists of a team leader and several team members. Clear communication between team leaders and team members is essential. The team leader is in charge of organizing the group, monitoring performance. They should be able to perform all the skills. They direct the team members, and they provide feedback on group performance after the resuscitation efforts. The team members should understand their role, be willing, able, and skilled to perform the role, understand the PALS sequence, and are committed to the team's success. So first, the team leader should give clear assignment to a team member. The team member then should respond verbally with voice and eye contact. The team leader listens for the confirmation. The team member then reports when task is complete and reports the result. It is important to know your own clinical limitations. Resuscitation is the time for implementing acquired skills, not trying new ones. Clearly state when you need help and call for help early in the care of the person. Resuscitation demands mutual respect, knowledge sharing, and constructive criticism. After each resuscitation case, providers should spend time reviewing the process and providing each other with helpful and constructive feedback. Ensuring an attitude of respect and support is crucial and aids in processing the inevitable stress that accompanies pediatric resuscitation. Don't forget, we offer online PALS certification on our site. You can find a link in the description. We encourage you to become certified as soon as possible, whether that be on your own time with an online course or an in-classroom setting. So thank you so much for tuning into today's webinar. We will catch you the next time.